Alright, football fans, let's talk about Jamaica's wild ride to the 2026 FIFA World Cup. The Reggae Boyz just smashed Guatemala 3-0, topping their second round group, and now they're heading into the final stage of CONCACAF qualifiers. So, what are their chances of making it to the big dance in North America? Let's break it down. First up, Jamaica's landed in Group B with some familiar Caribbean faces: Trinidad and Tobago, Curacao, and Bermuda. 6 games, home and away, all squeezed into September, October, and November of 2025. The mission? Finish first, and they're on the plane to the World Cup, no questions asked. But here's the plot twist. If Jamaica grabs second place, hope isn't lost. The 2 best runners-up across all 3 groups get a ticket to the Intercontinental Playoffs in March 2026. One last shot at glory, with the World Cup expanding to 48 teams and 8 spots up for grabs from this region. Jamaica's odds are better than ever. And let's be honest, the group draw is kind. These are matchups where Jamaica can flex their firepower. They've got momentum, a talented squad, and the whole island behind them. But nothing's a given. Slip up and it could all go sideways. So can Jamaica make it? Absolutely. The path is clear, the chances are real, and the dream is alive. But it'll take focus, grit, and maybe a bit of reggae magic to get it done. You can bet I'll be watching every minute. Let me know in the comments, are the Reggae Boyz World Cup bound, or is there another twist in this Caribbean story? Hit like, subscribe for more football stories, and let's see how far Jamaica can go.